Are you tired of being broke? Well, here are some simple ways to fix being broke. Number one, the most important thing is to track where your money is going. And to do that, you need to do a budget. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a simple budget. But you need to track where your income and your expenses are going. If you can't track it, you'll never be able to cut back on expenses. You'll never be able to find improvements. And you'll always be broke. Most important thing is to track where your money is going. Number two, try and increase your income. Whether that's asking for a raise, selling unused items at home, doing a second job, whatever it is, try and increase your income. And finally, the third thing is to manage your debts strategically. So if you have a lot of personal debts, learn to manage that and pay that off as fast as possible. One of my suggestions to paying off debt fast is to start off with the smallest balance. Put all your time and effort getting rid of that as fast as possible and then moving to the next one. My 3 simple ways to fix being broke. I'm Clay Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.